Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad ke Sangma Habakran Chikilat Pathai Kubor Halor ka Jingbam Pen I ki Kirteng Jung Kibriu Kibladan Kti ha Jing Sha Siat Yap Yo Ba Cher Starfield thank you Bar Halor ka Jinkili Balano ka Sorgar kan le ya ka Tactical Team 1 Nakaliang Conrad ulaong ba ka Jingbam Pelat iki Kirteng ka Dena Mar Bala Tho ha ka Kaipot Bala ai Jingmut ka Commission of Inquiry ba ka Jingbam Pen Mi iki Kirteng ka De Ban Yada ya ka Shongsngan Jongki Pulit Bat baka numbu ya kanu ka jing pentuat hapadeng gi pat ba. Shu menteri rangba ulaong ru bakila khot ya ka tactical team 1 banwan ra ya jing batai benya lane ya ka explanation call. Bat ulaong ru baka tactical team 1 ki diban yo ya kalat ban Pynsngew.
The report itself has mentioned that the details of multiple investigations contained sensitive information regarding the manner and mode of investigation and crime detection, which was still ongoing, and disclosure thereof is likely to prejudice such investigation and was contrary to public interest. That's the first observation that was made. And the second was that statements were also being made on behalf of the police officers involved in the police action, and disclosure of the names of these officers could seriously endanger their personal safety. So therefore, the Commission itself has recommended in their report that these names should not be made public in the interest of the safety of the police, number one, and number two, also because there are ongoing investigations that are there and sensitive names of people who provided sensitive information based on which the entire investigation took shape and moved forward. Those names were there, and hence it would hamper the overall investigation in the larger overall interest of the public that those names be not made public. And this was a recommendation of the Commission itself. And hence, based on that recommendation and mention, we have omitted the names. This is the report of the Commission. And obviously we had to wait too late on the table of the House. Now that it's been laid on the table of the House, we will be calling all these, the tactical one team has been asked to come and give an explanation. So now they have to be also given the chance to be heard from the government side on after this report. As you have read from this report also, that this report are recommendations and they don't suggest for actions as such. So therefore now the government has to take the appropriate action. So hence, as a process of obviously have a natural justice, based on this report and the findings of the report, an explanation will be called from the officers, and based on that we will proceed further. It's not that simple. It's an entire process, and of course, as we speak, I was mentioning to you, you asked me that some instances of extortion notes are still there, and these are all connected. So therefore, one has to keep all the secrets intact and the sources intact, and if there's any danger in the sense that giving out the names would endanger the overall investigation, then obviously it will hamper the entire investigation process. So one cannot say it will be over by today, tomorrow, or day after. It's a process, but definitely it's continuing. And and as I said, we have made a large step forward in ensuring that this is controlled. And of course, the talks also are something that is leading to a positive outcome.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.